Hello guys, in this video I will talk about NgClass in Angular. So what does NgClass do? So NgClass is basically used to add or remove any CSS class. With this you can use classes as a directive. It accepts string, array, object, map. So as we know we use classes on any HTML element. So you can also use NgClass. This is a good Angular feature. So the syntax of this feature is. So you just need to write the entry class in the square brackets, and you need to write the expression here. So let me show you what are the expressions here now. So expressions are basically conditions that you want to, like if you want to add the classes on that condition, then in that case you can use ng class. So it provides various ways in which you can add your conditions. So let me show you all the things one by one. So first is it, and you can show the data using this condition, using curly braces, as I mentioned. Let me show you the practical example now. So let's move to the ng class. Just a second, let me update the ng class here. Let me remove all those things. So that it only show the ng class data. So this is ng class we have. So if the step is equal to step 1, then it will add this my class to that element. So let me get. Let me update now. So let's first see the first example with multiple options. So as you can see here, it get access the class my class one, because the condition is true. So let me change the condition now. Let me change this. Let me make it a step one. Now condition is false. So the class is removed now. So as I mentioned here, so it has removed the class. Now we have the another example. So here what we have added the means is same approach. This is the curly. This is the same approach we are using here. So here we have added condition of the multiple classes. So let me show you now that condition. Now our step is step one. So step two, my class step two is not going to add on that element. So this is our second example. This is the second element we have. So it added my class only because we have added the step is equal to step one here. So that's why it added that class. So our next example is the with ternary operator. So with the ternary ternary operator, you can also add the condition. As we know, a ternary operator is used to add if-else condition. So if this condition not matched, then it will add that condition. So according to the conditions, it will update the class. So let me show you here. The ternary operator. So here we have displaying the my class one. Why my class one is displayed? Because the condition is true. Because this condition is true, then it is showing. Otherwise, it will show the my class two. Now, next example is we can also add the class like that. So let me show you. It is little complex. So check here now. So before moving to that example, firstly I want to show some more simple examples. So let me show you some more examples now. So it is same like that one. So basically we have added the condition, and with that condition it added the class. So what is special here? Is special is special is true now. So it will add the special class to that element. This table is special. Let me check. So it will add the special class here. Now let's move to another example. So let's move to that example. So with object keys, we can also bind the classes. Let me show you now. So here we have this class. This is all are the classes name. So according to the condition we have added, it will add the class. So let me show you this curly special class. As you can see here, curly special, and this is the curly special. Okay. So it adds the curly and special class. Why it added those classes? Because we made these conditions true, and we make this false. So if you make this true, then it will also going to add it on that element. So as you can see here, all the classes are added here. Now next example is we can also means these are basically the different syntax of adding class on any element, because we have different uh, uh, we have different things. So we can, so these depend on the situation, you can use any condition you want. So here means here we just need to pass the counter, what class we want to add, so it will find that class. Let me show you here. So currently just a second, let me update the settings. So as you can see, means here it has added the my class one. Why it added the my class one? Because, sorry, just a second. So basically we have added the condition here. So if we add the one, if we pass the one here, then it will add this class. If we pass the two, then it will show that. If we pass three, then it will show that class. So according to the value we are going to pass, so it goes to that class accordingly. So firstly, let's move to the presentation now. Let's move to the PPT, then we will see that example. So these are basically common syntax that we can use in our project. So we have, as I already mentioned, so these are the with curly braces with multiple options. We can show the classes, and we can show it using the dynamic counter. So this is kind of counter we can say, means here just need to pass the value now here, and we can display the class. We can add that class. We can add the style according to that using a ternary operator. I have already shown you. So it will add the class accordingly. Let me update that. So we have seen that we can use this with any HTML element we want. These are all HTML elements that we have. Now in the next video I will show you the complex example. Thanks for watching.